Hi, I am Suman Mondal, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Mallabhum Institute of Technology. In this presentation, I will discuss on Introduction to Material Handling. Now, introduction. Material handling is loading, moving and unloading of materials. To do it safely and economically, different types of gadgets and equipments are used. And also, material handling is the art and science involving the moving, packaging, and storing of substances in any form. Now, advantages of material handling. The essential requirements of a good materials handling system may be summarized as efficient and safe movement of materials to the desired place, timely movement of the materials when needed, supply of materials at the desired rate, storing of materials utilization minimum space, and lowest cost solution to the materials handling activities, and the negligible damage of products during material handling. Now, limitations of material handling. Previous slide clearly show the importance of material handling is an industry or a material transportation system. However, the negative aspects of material handling should also not be overlooked. So, limitations of material handling are additional cost involved in any materials handling system. Once a materials handling system is installed, flexibility for further changes gets greatly reduced. Now, failure stoppage of the materials handling system at any level of operation may hamper the production system, and the material handling system needs regular maintenance. Now, classification of materials. Material handling system depends on the type of materials to be handled. Materials may categorized based on their state, size, weight, etc. For example, physical state deals with solid, liquid, and gases. Materials can also be classified into unit load and bulk load. Unit load, these are materials which can be handled, stored, and controlled as a single entry. It is counted by number of pieces. And bulk load, these are powdery, granulary, or lumpy materials which can be stored in heaps. And unitization is a process of converting bulk load to unit load. Now, the principle of material handling. These are a set of rules to maintain uninterrupted production and distribution. Some of the principles such as materials flow principle, gravity principle, simplification principle, safety principle, standardized principle, motion principle, idle time principle, dead weight principle, unit size principle, and space utilization principle, etc. Now, material handling equipment. Wide variety of materials handling equipment are classified into a few basic types for meaningful discussion of this equipment, and also common classification categories are industrial vehicles or trucks, conveyors, hoisting equipment, bulk handling equipment, robotic handling system, containers and supports, and auxiliary equipment. Now conclusion. Material handling is very crucial for any industry to function. It classifies material based on different attributes. It consists of a defined principles for overall efficient operations. It utilizes various types of equipment and storage facilities for proper functioning of a system. Thank you.